The farm exists to provide opportunities for people. People come here to give something, and out of that they go on this wonderful journey where they learn lots of new skills, they make lots of new friends, they gain qualifications, and they just grow in confidence. And that applies to people of all ages, from our youngest volunteers that started around 2 years old, all the way up to a gentleman who turns 80 in February. So for people of all ages, coming here and doing something productive and useful and practical makes all the difference. We've got a range of rare breed Welsh farm animals. We keep Welsh Harlequin ducks, which is the only Welsh breeded duck and a rare breed. We've got Llanwenog sheep from the Lampeter area. We've got some pigs that are crossbreeds at the moment, and we've got a range of free-range chickens, guinea fowl and geese as well. The Handford grant will allow us to explore what ways we can use our wonderful volunteers to develop our sustainability, to share our site with other organisations potentially, to run farmers markets, to run events for young people, whatever really people want in this area and are willing to pay for, and that we could use our wonderful site for, which will mean that we can keep underpinning the wonderful work that we do here with our volunteers.